A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one. Until I feared I would lose it, I never loved to read. One does not love breathing. I find television very agitating. Every time somebody turns on the set, I go into the other room and read a book. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. Books are a uniquely portable magic. The person who deserves most pity is a lonesome one on a rainy day who does not know how to read. There is more treasure in books than in all the pirates' loot on Treasure Island. My alma mater was books, a good library. I could spend the rest of my life reading, just satisfying my curiosity. Books serve to show a man that those original thoughts of his are not very new after all. The man who does not read good books is no better than the man who can't. I guess there are never enough books. There is no frigate like a book to take us lands away.